My Ford-powered Mgb has been sitting for far too long. Yes, I've gotten some work done on it here and there, but because of other projects and my Lyme disease, I'm just not able to get as much done as I like. I swapped on aluminum GT40 heads and put it back together. I put larger wheels and tires on, which required flared fenders. That took a lot of time. I had to weld them on and blend them in. But now the car is sitting higher and shouldn't bottom out as easily as it had been. But when I started it recently, after sitting for a long time, it would start on a choke, but when the choke kicked off, it wouldn't idle. Well, I looked for a vacuum leak, which is what it sounded like, but I couldn't find any. So I had another carburetor sitting over there on a bench, another Edelbrock. I pulled it apart, cleaned it up, rebuilt it. Just want to cover all the bases, put it on, and now it seems to run. I still have a little tuning to do, but let's see what happens here. Oh yeah. Take that for a ride. Today Brandon's coming over and we're going to do some testing and photo shooting using cameras, drones, whatever we got laying around. If the thing starts, that is. I've charged the battery. I think we'll get going here shortly.